Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Hobby back at you guys with another video. And on today's video, I do have another sneaker unboxing that I did get from Nike. This has been a shoe I've wanted for a long time. First time it's ever retroing. I'm sure I just gave it away if you guys have been paying attention to releases. But yeah, first time this shoe's ever retro. I wanted this shoe way back in the day and just never really could afford it to pay the resale price. So I'm glad to have these today. I'm super excited about this unboxing. I'm super excited to show you guys what we got today. It is snowing outside today, so winter is here. But anyways, there's nothing to do. I just mentioned that because I'm looking out the window. It's snowing. Figured I'll let you guys know. But anyways, yeah, let's just get into this video. But before we get into this video, please hit that like and subscribe. And feel free to follow me on Instagram down below in the description to see how I style my sneakers and clothes. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. So, right off the bat, you see the box. See this all over LeBron print. So, you guys, oh, it's upside down, but you guys probably know what these are. These are a pair of LeBrons, and they are the LeBron 7 red carpets. Now, LeBron 7 is my favorite model. I had the first Zoom generations. I had the LeBron 2s, had the 4s and the 5s back in the day, but never got 7s, even though the 7s are my favorite one. It's just like, I don't know, like back in the day, I was reliant, I didn't have like a job or anything, so I couldn't like, obviously it's not like it is now where I can just buy whatever I want. But, so I never got a chance to own a pair of 7s, even though they were my favorite LeBrons. So yeah, as I know from doing my research, this is the original LeBron 7 box that the LeBron 7s came in. So it is pretty cool. Nike did put it in the original box that came in. Sizing label reads Nike LeBron 7 Quick Strike, size 10.5, white, black, glass blue. There's your sizing tag. Retail was $200. Now, I'm not sure what the retail was when these came out back in the day. I think they were $160, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on it. So yeah, let's just get right into the shoe, and bang bang, here they are, the LeBron 7 red carpets. Now this shoe is popular because LeBron wore these in 2009 in a game at Madison Square Garden where he played the Knicks. I forgot his stats, but obviously they're probably super high. I should have looked them up before filming the video, but I got things to do. Like, I got a bunch of homework to do, so I just wanted to get this out. Luckily, UPS dropped these off right away in the morning, so I get this video out to you guys. Otherwise, I was going to have to wait 2 days because I got some stuff to do this weekend. But anyways, here we go. Back to the shoe. As you can see, this beautiful black, teal, blue, and white. Now, right off the bat, the shoe is freezing cold, first of all, when it came. Not that it has anything to do with the shoe. It's been sitting on the UPS truck all day, and it's freezing here in Chicago. But right off the bat, you can tell this leather right here is like super stiff on this toe cap. I heard these do crease pretty bad. I guess I'll have to just adapt to that. I don't really know, but this leather is super stiff right here. I actually tried on this pair to do sizing for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys they do come with red laces. I'm definitely going to throw the red laces in because that pops. But I did try these on just now to give you guys my sizing advice. I would go true to size. 10.5 fit me perfectly. As you can see, it has this ankle collar right here. So if you do have a more wider foot, maybe go up half size. Because usually when shoes have this ankle collar, they do fit like kind of a half size smaller, I guess. Or it takes up a little bit of room. But yeah, they fit perfect for me. But I did notice this leather right here is super stiff in the toe cap. But getting back to the shoe, bottom is this teal, black, blue with this LeBron James hologram. Like I said, this is my first time looking at the 7s in person, and it's the first time they've been released since 2009. As you can see, the LeBron James initials on the back, and then flip and dip on this side. On the front toe cap, you got the 23 right there, and then you got this old school LeBron logo right here, and the LeBron logo right there as well. And this is like kind of like a carbon, it's not carbon fiber, but it's kind of got like that carbon fiber look to it. I'm not sure what this material is. But like I said, leather on the toe cap, and then you got like a suede, like nubuck up here by the laces, and then a teal Nike swoosh on the inner. Like I said, I just love the LeBron 7, just love the way it looks. I'm excited to wear these now. I won't be wearing these for basketball purposes. I know I usually said, especially in my LeBron 17 video, I said like most LeBrons were only for basketball, but some of these retro LeBrons, you can really style these, especially the 7s. Like I said, I think it's the best LeBron out there in his retro line. Well, it's my personal favorite. You guys could let me know in the comments what's your favorite LeBron retro or favorite LeBron signature line shoe. And then you got the Full Max Air unit as well, which is very nice touch for the comfort. And on the inner, we just got like that LeBron James logo with the teal and red. So these are the red carpet LeBron 7s. Just came out this past Thursday. Got these on Nike sneakers, pretty easy cop. Like I figured, not many people will be going after these just because, like, it wasn't a shoe that's gonna resell. If the shoe doesn't really have resale value, if there's a pretty good chance you're not gonna have any problems picking it up. And I forgot to mention there is some leather up here by the ankle collar as well. I love the tongue. Here's a look at the tongue. I actually remember this tongue from the LeBron 11 What The, if you guys know what those are. They use the same tongue on one of the shoes. So I've always loved this tongue, and it's got the inner teal, and it has the LeBron James signature in red on the front. So yeah, overall, I think these are super dope. Now, I can't compare them to the 2009 version, the original, because I never had it, so I have no idea how these compare material-wise. Oh, I forgot to mention LeBron James also right here on the lace locks. Or not lace locks, but, you know, the front laces. But anyways, yeah, so like I was saying, I can't compare these to the original 7s, so I never had them, but the quality is pretty good. I mean, there are some glue marks on mine. Like down here, as you can see, like by this Air Max unit, there's a couple glue marks. But, I mean, that's what I expect out of Nike, and it's kind of like a little crappy right there. But, I mean, no big deal. Like, I just expect that. Like I said, these were $200. I mean, that is kind of steep for a retro, but sometimes you just got to pay the price. Especially, I've always wanted these shoes, so I knew right when I saw these were going to retro, I was going to get them. These are my first retro LeBrons. I didn't pick up any of the 3s or the Zoom generation, so I'm definitely had to pick these up since these are one of my favorite, especially in this color. I absolutely love the red carpet LeBron 7s. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. I'm pretty happy with these. I can't wait to wear these, throw those red laces in, and I'm kind of excited to see if they bring out any more LeBron 7 retros for this next year in 2020. This was the 10-year anniversary of the red carpet. Next year, it's going to be the 10-year anniversary of the South Beach 8s. You guys all know that's one of the best LeBron retros of all time. Probably number 1 LeBron retro of all time. So that'd be interesting to see if they retro those. But yeah, I'm signing out, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Sorry I can't do on foot. It's snowing outside, and I'm just like super busy today. So just not going to happen. But follow me on Instagram to see how I want to style these. I will be posting a fit pic in these probably sometime in the near future. But please hit that like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.